Ahashaha munana nibo mubiri gwa Sarah Mateke gwaretwaho kugira ngo abanyabuzare banywane be abanyishenjero hamwe n'abaminista otireho n'abandi okugira ngo bagurebeho omurundi gwa muhero. Omukoro gwaebembera His Grace Stephen Kazimba Mugaru oli Archbishop w'ekanisa ya Uganda kandi ogu yamugambaho nk'omuntu obire nayetwaza gye omu bantu kandi yashaba abantu okuguma kwikiriza entebe ekanisa za Ruhanga baba bari omu nsi.
Crying will be gone. No more burying of our dear ones. It will be jubilation.
Prime Minister yagamba aha mugenzi nk'omuntu obire ari omuntu w'omutano kandi obire nayamba abantu ngo kandi ogu batwire bari kukwatanisa kurungi nawe tiine muntu owakubasa kwijuza omwanya gwe.
Honorable Sarah was a personal friend beyond our routine work in government. I've already told you I was with her in the 9th Parliament. I and her plus 30 others had an opportunity to go to China for training in leadership and development. But we became more closer during the recent by-election in Kisoro of Honorable Eddie Kwizera, the MP Bukimbiri, where I personally visited her home in Kisoro and I received a motherly welcome and treatment. I'm telling you, she was an exceptional mother.
Speaker w'ishenjero Rihanga Right Honorable Anita Mong yashaba abanyishenjero okukwatira hamwe obu bari kushabira omugenzi kandi yagira ngo nibija kuyamba omutabani owo mugenzi mpaka.
And we remember to pray for Sarah's soul. It's not an easy moment, but we will keep Sarah in our hearts. It is not, especially when she has left a young son who has not finished school. And for us, our motto, Archbishop in Parliament, our motto is like the one of Liverpool, that we never move alone. We shall not leave the son to move alone. We will move with you until, for the good and the legacy of your mother, we must keep the name Sarah alive.
Nabwanyuma ogu yaherezayo ebirugire omukuchebero mubiri gw'omugenzi yabikwasa abekaye. Abanyishenjero bagamba aha mugenzi nk'omuntu obire natungura ebyobwegeso muri Kisoro hamwe na Uganda yona otireho n'okunda kutungura ebibina by'abakazi.
Honorable Sarah Mateke abiri ari omukazi emanzi omukazi omugumisiriza ari kugamba bice ari kuhabura nowe benozayo ministry eyabandize nahali yareba ngo cyo kwetaga tachino mu mikono ye ninga takuchika akuhabura kugira tati mwene borekire guma manze ndebe cyo gukora kandi mwene abe nakunda abantu nyo abanambugana ko ngaburu kumbugana Honorable Rita Kovuzire abaryo mukazi ari kwetwara abaryo mukazi ari kwe HT nisa abiraryo mukazi wo mwesigwa ari kundo murimo gwe abiraryo mukazi orukunda okwatanisa abantu na no kuba kansoringa abire asupportingire education sector birayine university abire na abantu free education. Ombiri gw'omugenzi Sarah nigwija kuretwa omwishenjero izoberi ya nyenshakare kugira ngo abanyishenjero bongere okumugambaho.